Okay, we're going to show you one of our favorite BMW i3 hacks. We're going to start with this polar cap faucet protector. It's an insulated cover made for a faucet technically, but it fits really well into the i3 charging port. It's about $3. We got ours at Lowe's, but you can find them at Tractor Supply, also Agway, I think. And we found that the hacksaw worked the best for this. You're just going to start at the end and cut all the way down to, I guess it's technically the top. And we used the sticker that came on it as a guide, and that worked really well. Just want to do both sides. Makes a bit of a mess, so we put a towel down. Didn't really help. So after you cut both sides, fold it out. We found that tin snips worked the best for this part, and the hacksaw we used was a cobalt. So yeah, we bend this part out and use the tin snips to cut through that plastic. There's a little piece of foam left behind, but the hacksaw removes that pretty easily. So then it's time to test it out. So after you plug your car in, you're just gonna rest this on top and line it up with your charging port. And we used the strap that comes with it to tie it around the handle and attach it to that little part. And it just makes it so the wind doesn't blow it away. And lucky for us, it snowed that night, as it does often up here in upstate New York, and it worked beautifully. Normally the snow would have been surrounding the charging port, which is technically fine, but this is just, it makes it so much neater. You just unhook it, push the snow out of the way, and it's pretty much dry. We're very pleased. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, feel free to hit the like button and maybe even subscribe.